Hey guys, how's it going today? Today we will be tying up some bluegill imitation swim jig. So what I have right now is a poison tail dude mole. I think this is quarter. We got some green pumpkin living rubber. We got some yellow and some oranges. So let's start off by tying the little tiny, you can't see it, but little tiny V-guard here. Not V-guard, hook keeper. Get that one tied real quick. And get the hook keepers in. I usually tie about like 5 or 6 wrap. After that, kind of cinch it down. So what I do, I usually go around the hook keeper stems here. There we go. That will be good for the hook keeper. So how you see how I have the hook here, not the hook, the hook keeper here pointing up. So that's where I want it. I want the hook keeper to be pointing up like that. So what it does is kind of protect the bottom from getting less snacky. I don't have my brush with me. I'm just gonna rotate it. There we go. That should be set. Now we're gonna add some color. Drop a dabs in there. Set it. Okay, so the top, it's gonna be green pumpkin. So I think instead of using, yeah, I'm gonna use 2 stack right up on top of each other for the tops here. A little bit too thick. Let's see how that working out. Turn around. So I want to keep this green pumpkin color in the center. So there's that. So I'm going to add some yellow. Gonna spread the yellow out a little bit. There we go. There's a yellow. Get that clip. That will keep that together. Okay. Now we're gonna add some oranges. That will kind of, here we go, finish up the bluegill imitation. And hold the thread fairly tight. because the leave-in rubber is fairly hard. Make sure I get a good knots on them. Oop, that was bad. There you go. One more, just to be safe. There you go. Drop. Couple glue. I think I kind of messed it up here. I put too much rubber on the front here. Not the front, like on the top here. This is my first time doing a bluegill collar. Let's see how that turned out. I think it would be fine, but yeah, it's not even holding up here. Yeah, you can see it just come right off. Let me try a different. Let me try the flex one. Maybe the flex one is work a little bit better. I'm surprised it just came off like that. I know a lot of people use super glue and stuff, which I have. In the past, I've been using epoxy. Okay, let's cut the. It might be too much orange. Or yellow. Yeah, it might be too much yellow. Yeah, I think it's still a bit too much, a little too much green pumpkin. I mean, not green pumpkin, yellow and orange. Still a good color, but it's a little bit too much, you know. By too much, I mean a little bit too much yellow and orange. But the green pumpkin is fine. So I know that won't work for the next time I try this, but this I'm still gonna throw this, especially for a you know, muddy or stained color. I think this color will pop, especially if you shine like black light at it. It's a super reflective kind of color. So that's that. What do you call it? Green pumpkin, orange. So we're gonna keep a bit better recipe for my bluegill color here. So, all right, thanks for watching.